Can a computer understand without specific training? Yes. Let's explore zero-shot prompting and learn how it works. Zero-shot prompting lets AI handle tasks without prior examples. Prompting is asking AI a question or giving it a task. Zero-shot prompting means giving no examples, just describing what you want. This approach is great for flexibility. AI uses its background knowledge to generate answers. Next, let's look at the principles. One principle is context understanding. AI reads the prompt and infers meaning. Now, let's implement these techniques. Start with a clear and concise prompt. Ask your question directly. For example, what are the benefits of exercise? Notice how specific the prompt is. This guides the AI to provide relevant answers. Using zero-shot techniques means being precise. Provide enough context without examples. Zero-shot prompting can save time because you don't need to provide examples. It speeds up responses without extensive training. However, results can vary based on the task. Test your prompts for better results. Now, let's consider an example. Imagine wanting to write a story. Instead of providing a whole story, you can prompt, "Write a story about a brave dog." The AI uses that prompt to create an original narrative. Summarizing key points, zero-shot prompting is powerful. It requires clarity and context. By applying this method, you'll harness AI's potential effectively. In the next video we will discuss about few-shot prompting. Stay connected with us to get the latest updates, tips, and insights. Thank you.